Hi, Neal McLaughlin here for DIY Insurance Claims. Today I want to talk to you about two positions that you may encounter in your insurance claim. One of them is an appraiser. What is an appraiser? An appraiser is a insurance expert who's brought in on your behalf to do an independent evaluation of your loss and pricing as to what that loss entails to be brought back to pre-loss condition. Okay? It's not there to determine scope. It's not there to determine things outside the parameters of the appraisal process. We have another video that'll go into appraisal. The umpire. The umpire is part of the three-person panel in appraisal. The umpire will determine points of conflict between the two appraisers. You have an appraiser for your side. The insurance company or carrier will have an independent appraiser on their side. When the two of these appraisers cannot agree on pricing, the umpire will make a decision, which is binding, as to what a proper, fair price will be on this particular item in discussion, in dispute. Thanks. I'm Neal McLaughlin for DIY Insurance. Have a great day.